I would like to introduce you to the newest member of our products, the Edu Mill. The Edu Mill was designed with educational institutions in mind. It is fully enclosed, it runs on 110 volts of power, 15 amps, and it fits through a standard doorway. The Edu Mill can be customized to use a Levil LV12 MC control, a Fanuc Zero-i MF Plus, or a Mitsubishi M80. The travel distances for the Edu Mill are 7 inches for the x-axis, 10.5 inches for the y-axis, and 5 inches for the z-axis. The spindle on the Edu Mill is a 2 horsepower spindle capable of reaching speeds of 24,000 RPM. The machine is able to reach 400 inches per minute rapids and 200 inches per minute feed rates. This machine can be accessorized with a 3D printing head, meaning that you can do additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing in one machine. One of the most attractive things about the Edu Mill is its price point. It is low enough that it makes it affordable to have both CNC milling and 3D printing in any workspace.